Once in a Tin by Jolly Phonics, Little Word Books. Teachers and parents. Before tackling this little word book, a child will need to be able to do the following. Say the sounds made by the letters shown below. Blend regular words containing these letter sounds. Letter sounds. Sa is for snake, that slithers so. It slides on sand and moves real slow. Is for ant, who marches in a line. Looking for crumbs, oh what a find. Ta is for tap, a little ta-ta-ta. Turn it on and water will drip. E is for ink, so black and neat. It helps us write on every sheet. Pa is for pan that's hot and round. It cooks with a pa-pa-pa popping sound. Na is for net to catch a bug, or keep us warm like a big soft hug. Look at the letters and say the sounds. Sa, ta, na, e, pa. Read the words and spot the objects in the picture. Tin. An ant. Say the sounds and blend them together to read the words. E, na, in. A tin. Tap. Tip. It. Sits. Say the word pan and listen out for the sounds pan, pa, na. There is one sound dot underneath the pan for each sound in the word. Pan. Sip. Look at the letters and say the sounds. See how quickly you can say all of them. Ta, sa, e, pa, na, Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our Soul Academy for more educational content.